Initially, these air raids proved to be incredibly deadly, with nearly 1,250 killed in the first raid. The Japanese, led by General Shojiro Iida, had a straightforward plan to first seize Rangoon, Mandalay, and then the oil fields at Yan-Nang-Yong. In January 1942, 2 divisions of Japan's 15th Army had crossed from Thailand into Burma, hoping to capture Rangoon before the British could land reinforcements. The Japanese began their campaign against Rangoon with a series of softening up air raids. Initially, these air raids proved to be incredibly deadly, with nearly 1,250 killed in the first raid. This was primarily because there was no civil defense or air raid precautions. But by the third raid, the casualties were down to 60 killed and 40 wounded.